Hello, this is Mr. Quinola, and I'm going to help you figure out what x is. Let's find x. So let's take one highlighter and let's highlight this first angle that they give us and what it is eating, and its intercepted arc is that arc right there. Let's take another highlighter and let's highlight this other angle that they give us, and let's highlight what that angle is eating. So it looks like both angles are eating the same arc, so they have that arc in common. Now, some people, maybe you, maybe hopefully not you, will just say, oh, they have the same intercepted arc, so we can just set this angle 9x minus 4 equal to 4x plus 2. Don't do that. So next thing, what you have to do so you get the correct answer is determine what kind of angles these angles are. So this one is a central angle because its vertex is on the center. Because it's a central angle, the arc that it's eating is the same measure as this angle. So I'm going to write 9x minus 4 here because a central angle and its intercepted arc are the same measure. Now look at this angle right here. This angle's vertex is not in the center, it's on the circle. So that means this is an inscribed angle. And inscribed angles, if you guys remember, if you don't, well then here I'll tell you what it is so you can remember it now, and next time you remember it forever. An inscribed angle is half the measure of its intercepted arc. So this is half of what this is. So don't set them equal to each other because this is half. In order to make this equal to this, you'd either have to cut this arc in half so that it's equal to this inscribed angle, or double this inscribed angle since it's half to equal that intercepted arc. What I'm going to do is double this so that we have whole numbers. So let's multiply 2 times 4x plus 2 equal to 9x minus 4. Okay, so an inscribed angle is half the measure of its intercepted arc, so double it so it's equal to its intercepted arc. So we doubled it. Now let's distribute that 2 to everything inside the parentheses. 2 times 4x is 8x. 2 times 2 is 4 equals 9x minus 4. And we'll just do some algebra. Let's get this 8x to the other side by subtracting it. And we'll add this negative 4. We'll add it and make it to a positive 4 on both sides. And then, so 9x minus x is just x, or 1x, or just x. And 4 plus 4 is 8. And there is your final answer. X equals 8. So just remember that central angles are equal to its intercepted arc. Inscribed angles, where the vertex is on the circle, is half of the intercepted arc. Hope that helps. Have a great day.